What's up, guys? And today I'm playing Subway Surfers, and I'm joined by
Ryan, the coolest person on earth.
Well, he's not cool.
Yeah, my name's Ryan Hughes.
Yeah,
Ooh,
that's his YouTube channel.
there goes the ice cream van.
Ah.
So let's hop into the game, guys. Kieran's playing on his channel. It's called Nigel Duggan.
Yeah.
I just made a Minions one, but because Kieran messed up on it, guys on Kieran's channel, he messed up on it. He deleted it before he posted it.
Well, I didn't really like it.
Minions are pretty annoying.
No, I like the meme, but I just didn't like it because something happened.
Oh yeah, he probably died lots of times.
No, something happened because right as I was doing it, it made
Oh
me.
yeah, I had to make him like buy something.
Yeah, no, it made me delete.
Made him delete something.
So that's why I ended the video and then deleted it. So that's why. But I'm sorry, guys.
I'm saying sorry, guys. That on this.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I used
You almost died.
again.
Oh, I hate this. November.
On the Minions Rush one, you will see Kieran was in it. So, you won't see, but you hear the Kieran.
Well, I'm not making
the next video. No, not the next video. It's in a couple of videos. But next week, I might be showing my face because I'm usually doing the camera guy. So you saw Kieran's face already, but you didn't see my face.
You all don't see my face, guys.
Yeah, so I'm gonna make a vlog where Kieran records me doing things.
Yeah.
On my channel, and then we'll record on his channel. Yeah, it's gonna be legit.
Legit.
That's not just happening. Anyway, I just died and I used 3 keys. I wonder what the keys are for escaping jail, because maybe you go to jail.
This is so laggy.
Lower down your one, Kieran, because they think it's for me. X Jigs spray can collect 120 more to unlock Jigs star outfit. Okay. My tooth hurts so bad.
I know.
Guys, if you saw the other video, you know what happened to my tooth. Kieran, don't tell them. If you can't see my Minions Rush one, you'll know what happened to my tooth. Didn't see the Minions Rush one, but you got watch the other video to see what happened.
That's technically yesterday.
I'll give you a clue. I don't have my tooth anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty simple what happened, but we're not going to tell you.
You just have to see.
Just go and check the other Minions Rush video.
Yeah.
I know. I wonder why that train says M on it, maybe for money.
Oh wait, somebody wants to play against me. Somebody wanted to play against me. But
you know what I mean, Top Runner.
Yeah, somebody wanted to play against me, and it was two brothers.
Two brothers?
Yeah.
Were they like teenagers or kids?
No, kids.
Were they small or like big?
So one small and one like medium.
So like one was like basically like 8 and one was like 5.
Yeah.
Oh, I got the bow. Oh bam. Oh bam. Oh damn. Oh fam. Oh
What happened?
nothing. I definitely didn't die and use the key.
You did.
Cause I didn't. I almost died. It said missed called. No, not missed called, but like missed die or something. No.
Do 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 do
I'm a
do do do
goofy
do.
rock. I'm
You're
a
what?
goofy rock. SpongeBob on Patrick Rock.
I'm sorry, guys, if you saw an ad there.
I get ads all the time on my channel. Isn't that right, guys?
I did not die. How do
Nani?
you? It doesn't let me. Oh wait, do I? I don't have.
Nani?
What?
Nani? I definitely didn't walk into the train and use one key to escape.
Oh wow.
God, I definitely did. No, I didn't.
I heard you say that.
Jetpack time. I got the jetpack, boys. Yeet. Oh, I should have got the magnet.
Something's wrong with me.
Something's wrong with you, right, Kieran? Something has something wrong with him.
But
Johnny's got to the hospital.
no, I don't. No, Shivers has to.
Oh yeah, Shivers has to. Guys, I'm sorry, but my battery's getting low, so that doesn't...
Yeah, mine.
Oh my god, it kicked me out of the bloody game again.
Oh, that's what happened in the minion.
Thank god it didn't respawn me.
Yeah, I have the skateboard.
Oh no, I went out the boots and then I tried to jump. Hello.
Hello on a darkness front.
You said it wrong. Can't say hello dumping this money.
No, I said hello on a darkness front.
Oh my god, look at this dude.
Look at this dude.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
Ryan, look at that dude. Look at you, dude.
Ow!
It's not hurt. Ryan, I need to fold it.
Take that one eye, Willy.
Ew. Ryan, what do you want? I
Go
want
into the black suit.
I want to change my
Black and
character.
man.
I want to change my character.
Oh, this guy's eating the sand. This guy's eating the sandwich, boys.
Ryan, I want to change my character. What do you want?
Kieran's... I definitely didn't get an ad to make you 600 coins.
I don't really care. I really want 160.
I have. Oh, but you. Oh my God.
Are you okay?
I'm just kidding. Me and Kieran are. Yeah. Oh, come on, shut up, ice cream van. You're making me more jealous. I'll tell you now what happened to my tooth. So I went to the dentist and I got it taken out, and I can't have any sorts of sugar.
Me and Ryan are really not that best friends.
We're just friends.
Yeah.
My best friend is Matthew Siskinsky. Siskinsky.
Yeah.
Stinky Skins. I'm
Yeah.
just kidding, Matthew. You're my best. I'm just kidding, Matthew. You're my best friends. Anyway. Gorilla time!
Yeah, what?
Gorilla time. That guy from this to the front!
Oh, that gave me.
He just stayed out, boy.
I'm gonna buy some more money.
I'm gonna buy some more Kirans to annoy me.
Hey.
You can't buy a friend.
Yeah.
That's the only thing you can't buy in the world.
You can only buy like €100.
Yeah, right, you can buy. You can't buy money with money. But say if I give you €1 and you give me back 100, that wouldn't make sense. Now, would it?
No, you had to give them another €1.
Yeah, €99 pay.
Something's wrong with me.
Yeah,
I use one key. That's all. That's what I do.
Yep, Karen needs to go to the hospital with shivers.
No, you do.
Yeah, so guys, I'm going to be ending the video now. So have a good day. See you guys later. And subscribe, hit the bell, like the video, and see you guys later. Bye-bye.
That's only for Ryan's channel, not mine. No, it's not. They can still see me playing.
And they can see me farting.
No, they can see you, friend.
Guys, I ended my video. This is for Kieran's channel. I ended my video.
Yeah.
It's gonna be posting in like... I'm posting it right now, actually. So... I'm gonna post this video, guys. I'm obviously talking to Kieran, guys.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe to my channel,
So
please.
guys, this is another video. Hope you liked the video. If you did, subscribe and turn on notifications and hit the bell and give me a big thumbs up. So goodbye.